Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Poonam, and before I start the video, my heartiest congratulations to those who cleared CA final exams in this attempt and became chartered accountant. This video is about what to do for campus preparation. Those who cleared their CA finals and going to appear in the upcoming campus, which is going to be held in October 2021, need to start preparing for that because you are left with only 1 month. Okay. So basically in this video I am going to share some points which you need to consider for your campus preparation, and these all points will surely help you in your campus placement. And believe me, these are all those points which were given to me by my seniors at the time of my campus, but I did not give much importance to this. That's why I had a really bad experience of ICI campus, and these are all points which which are generally based on the experiences of those who had a successful campus. So I want you all to focus on these points to make your ICI campus experience a good one. So number one is to prepare 2 resumes for yourself, one for audit and one for taxation, because generally we see there are 2 kinds of profiles offered, audit and taxation. So we need to prepare 2 resumes, one focusing on audit part, another one focusing on taxation part. So you get the idea what I wanted to say. Okay, so you're done with preparing your resume, and then you enter into the next process, that is making your profile onto different career job portals. Okay, so you need to make your profile and update it on every job portal you see: LinkedIn, Naukri.com, Shine.com, IIM Jobs, or be it career website of corporates. So make profile and update it on every job portal, career website of companies, and fast careers पे भी कर लीजिएगा. And you need to attach your resume as well, and thereafter you start applying to the vacancies shared on those platforms. And then thereafter you will start getting calls for the interviews and all, and you need to attend all those interviews whichever is coming your way, so that you gain experience before you give your final shot at the campus. After you're done with the initial phase of making resume and sharing it on various job portals, you need to start and make it a habit of reading Economic Times or any business newspaper every day, at least half an hour. Okay, because this will make your group discussion and interview process smoother. So next thing, I would suggest you to start preparing for journal aptitude tests, start preparing for logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and for this I would suggest you to watch some videos on YouTube. 1 or 2 would be sufficient, because those basic things would be sufficient to clear assessment tests or psychometric tests, which are generally conducted by companies coming in ICI campus, and not all companies conduct, but some companies do conduct. And next thing you need to do is study. You need to start revising your CA subjects again, because ultimately in the interview process you will be judged on the basis of subject knowledge you possess. Further, I would tell you that what are the core areas you need to prepare for. But before that, I would request you all to take out your articleship diary, where you have mentioned all your client names, your achievements and all, because in the interview process questions are majorly based on your articleship experience. So in case you have not prepared your articleship diary during your articleship tenure, then just remind all of those 3 years and prepare one right now. This is the right time to prepare. Just analyze all the works you have done in your articleship and what you have learned, what were your major achievements, and what type of clients you handled. Okay, so all of these things you need to prepare. Now let's talk about what are the core areas that you need to prepare for. First one is accounting standard and Indian accounting standards. Indian accounting standards में भी कुछ इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं जिन पे मेजरली क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. सो वही आपको भी प्रिपेयर करने हैं. एंड उसके बाद नेक्स्ट आपको प्रिपेयर करना है ऑडिट प्रोसीजर्स पे. ओके, अगर आप ऑडिट बैकग्राउंड रहा है आपका, तो अच्छे से ऑडिट प्रोसीजर्स सारा आप अच्छे से कर ले. O2C क्या होता है, P2P क्या होता है, ये भी पूछे जाते हैं. Next, you need to prepare for CARO. Go through all the points of CARO deeply, and same applicable for tax audit clauses and tax audit forms. Okay, and also remember those sections which are in tax audit form. So all the points of CARO and all the clauses of tax audit and all the sections related to tax audit form needs to be on the tip of your mouth. Next, revise company law, majorly focusing on directors and board meetings, section 185, 186, section 175 to 195. These are all sections on which questions are asked. Next thing is GST and income tax. In this you need to prepare your curriculum, and along with that you need to be updated with the recent changes and developments happening in around, and be updated with the latest amendments and all. And last one, I want to talk about that thing which we generally have a tendency to ignore, and that is basic accounting terms and concepts. Most of the companies also ask questions like what is accrual concept, what is provision, and what is deferred revenue expenditure. So these kind of questions do ask by the interviewers in the campus. And I know that these are things which we are studying from 11th, 12th, and I know that we know, but still at the time of interview we have a tendency to forget, and we don't know how to explain it to them. For that we have to study these terms exams also, and so that we give a better presentation to the interviewer. So number 6 on the list is very deep study of your resume. We go through everything except resume. So for whatever profile you shortlisted, your more than 50% of questions would be based on your work exposure you mentioned in your resume. So you have to gain a thorough knowledge of your resume. So be ready for the questions for anything you mention in your resume, any quality you mention in your resume. For example, I used to write analytical skills in my resume, and once an interviewer saw that skill and he said, "Oh, analytical skills. So tell me, how would you count total number of petrol pumps in this locality?" And that suddenly hit me. So I would request you to be prepared for the questions you're going to have on the such big words which you mention in your resume. So point number 7 is daily speak for few minutes continuously with recording. Then listen to your voice. See how you feel about the way you speak, the way you express your feeling, the way you speak on any topic. So speak, record, listen, and then improve. So this is this. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टू हेल्प यू इन योर जीडी प्रिपरेशन. ग्रुप डिस्कशंस में तो कोई भी टॉपिक्स हो सकते हैं, वी डोंट नो कि क्या आ सकता है, बट एक वेबसाइट है इंडिया बिक्स. आप इस वेबसाइट को रेफर करिए और इस पर जो भी हॉट टॉपिक्स होते हैं, हॉट जीडी टॉपिक्स होते हैं, वो आपको मिल जाएंगे अलॉन्ग विद आंसर्स. एक फेवर में होगा और एक अगेंस्ट होगा, आपको दोनों मिल जाएंगे इंडिया बिक्स पे. सो आई डिस्कवर दिस वेबसाइट आफ्टर आई वॉज डन विद माई जीडी. सो जीडी का एक टॉपिक था जो कि मुझे इंडिया बिक्स वेबसाइट पे मिला था, एंड देन आई एक्सप्लोर दिस वेबसाइट एंड देन आई सो देयर आर सो मेनी जीडी टॉपिक्स, recent hot topics on which they had answers for and against both. So you can prepare through this website, and there are so many platforms available on Google and YouTube and so many more. So you all might need to go through again all the basic points of group discussions which you were taught in MCS, which you might have forgotten. So अगर MCS का notes है, then go through that. Otherwise, go on YouTube. You will find lot of videos and channels. But still, there was one website, one channel which one of my friends suggested me because उसे लगता है कि वही channel के videos देखकर उसने अपना group discussion Barclays का clear किया था. So once I'll remind that website's name, I will put that in the description box. Okay. So finally we have come to the end of this video, and earlier I've mentioned that you need to start practicing for the interview before you perform your final shot at the campus. For that you need to send your resumes to 15 persons or 15 companies every day so that you get an interview call. Okay, and you need to attend that interview as well, and try to give your interview in English all the time. So try to give your interview in full English language, and don't use Hindi words. This is just to practice. ठीक है, नहीं भी होता है selection, that's okay, that is just a practice. That is just a practice, but don't let the other person to know that you're practicing. And I hope कि आपने WhatsApp जॉब ग्रुप्स को ज्वाइन कर लिया होंगे, टेलीग्राम जॉब ग्रुप्स को ज्वाइन कर लिए होंगे, कंपनी की वेबसाइट्स पे आपने अपने प्रोफाइल क्रिएट कर लिया होगा. दिस इज जस्ट टू मेक योर जॉब सर्चिंग प्रोसेस ईजियर, बिकॉज कैंपस से पहले ही अगर जॉब लग जाए तो और भी यू नेवर नो कि इसी गेनिंग एक्सपीरियंस के प्रोसेस में ही आपको कोई बहुत अच्छी जॉब ऑफर कर दी जाए बिफोर कैंपस ही. एंड अगर व्हेन यू हैव अ जॉब इन हैंड बिफोर कैंपस, देन यू फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड यू प्रेजेंट योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंटली with less nervousness in ICI campus, because जॉब मिले ना मिले ICI campus में इंटरव्यू बेकार हो या अच्छा हो, आपके पास तो जॉब ऑलरेडी होगी. So you will feel more confident about yourself when you already have a job in your hand. So start sending your resumes to every job vacancies, every job post you see, be it for any location for which you're not comfortable. Just send your resumes, apply, and see what opportunities you're getting, what type of questions are asked in the interviews, what profiles are being offered to you. So find out your worth, test your knowledge, test your preparation level for the campus. With this, I would like to say goodbye to all of you, because we have come to the end of this video, and it was a great pleasure to talk on this topic. And that's it. I'll see you in another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye.